Hello guys, welcome to another one, and this time I'm gonna be working with this Veloster 2013 with the DCT transmission. I already work on this car. Basically I switched the clutch, but I did a big mistake. I put the wrong oil. I put the regular um, transmission oil, but these transmissions they use a manual transmission oil. So basically it's a gear oil. Usually is the 7585. A lot of people they say that the red line is pretty good for these cars. So that's what I bought. Usually for these cars is 1.79 liters, which basically is both two parts. I removed all this part, which is the air filter, the battery, and the battery tray, because I'm gonna be putting oil through here, which is the gear selection. But in these cars, you can do it through, it's a bolt over here, somewhere over here. But for me, it's faster to fill it up through here. In the bottom, I'm gonna be removing the oil, which is a 24, and then I'm gonna remove this up. I'm gonna be putting the oil, and hopefully it works. What it's doing in this car is in the scanner, when I put first gear, you see that it says current gear. When I put first gear, you see that it says error. Hopefully that fixed the issue. If not, it could be a clutch issue, that the clutch it wasn't good or something happened with the clutch. But I'm gonna show you what it's doing. We're gonna be putting it in the first gear, and you guys are gonna see that it doesn't want to click in the first gear. You see, drive second gear, and then we're gonna be going into reverse. You see, and now we're gonna be going back to drive, and it goes all the way to second gear. And then if we do the shifter, it doesn't want to catch on first gear. You see, it starts on second. You see, like you hit it and it doesn't want to go up or down. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be removing that oil. Hopefully we can solve that problem with the oil. If not, it's gonna be clutch issues. All right, so we just remove it a little bit. Basically it's 312. We lift it up and we're gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna put the funnel, and I'm gonna be putting the new oil. What we're gonna be doing before we put the oil, we're gonna open that's the bolt that I was talking to you guys. We're gonna open it so we can see when it's full, because it's gonna start dropping oil through there. Second bottle. I thought with 2 bottles it was gonna be enough, but I had to get another one. So we will see how much it will take from this one. Three bottles and it's still not full. So I'm gonna have to go again to the store and get another one. I'm back. This one is the fourth one. So I got just a little bit left over, and it was to start leaking in the bottom of that screw that I was talking about, which is where is his hand at. So that's how we knew that was full already. So now I'm gonna be removing this, putting this back, and starting it up to see if it works. If it doesn't work, With this new oil, that means that is a clutch. Alright guys, so my conclusion it was is the clutch, it wasn't the oil. I mean, it was the wrong oil still, but my issue is the clutch. So this transmission, it has to come out because I need to replace that DCT clutch. That's gonna be another video. Alright guys, at least you guys learned something about the oils. Don't put the wrong oil like me. See you on the next one.